Welcome to the first lesson planned by the Ceredigion Active Young People team. Our aim with these short videos is to create a 4-part lesson. These 4 parts will be warm-up, skill development, the main activity, and how we can differentiate. The aim of this lesson is to learn and develop balancing. To warm up, ask the children to do 30 seconds of running, 30 seconds of star jumps, and 30 seconds of hopping. Remember to stretch the muscles, especially the arms and legs, by doing squats and arm swings. Balancing is an important skill in many events such as gymnastics and dance, but also in sports such as cricket, rugby and football. Try to encourage the children to balance on one leg and to do slow movements. You can also balance equipment such as a tennis ball on a tennis racket. Use the skill card and video as examples to help you. Ask the children to think of their own challenges also. This card is in the multi-skills resource box, which is in every school, or you can see the cards on our Ceredigion Active Teams channel. You can also scan the QR code to go straight to the video. Look at this activity, which is an obstacle course, as an example to develop balancing. You can add your own elements that you have in school. Try to challenge the children to balance whilst doing other activities such as going over and under or by changing directions. You can also time the children to put extra pressure on them, but remember to reinforce the importance of performing the skill correctly every time. The children can work in pairs for support when required. Use any lines that you have on the floor as a visual aid. Use different equipment such as benches to go over. To make it more difficult, challenge the children to balance with their eyes closed. Remember to assess the children throughout the lesson to inform your planning for the next lesson. Thanks for listening.